feel. 59 in Detroit, mostly cloudy overnight here. Looks like a north to northeast breeze around 5 to 10. There'll be a few more stars showing up on the north side of town. That's going to be the trend for a while. On Friday, mostly cloudy. I-94 into the south, a little brighter to the north. 76 for a high in Detroit. Northeast winds around 5 to 10. Saturday 74, Sunday 72. Saturday's a decent day. Sunday, look for some rain to come in, especially in the afternoon. Maybe it starts a little earlier southwest of Detroit. Sunday night and Monday, which is Monday Night Football Monday, where the Lions are playing against the Jets downtown at 74.